This is an emergency broadcast. This is an emergency broadcast. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is an emergency broadcast to keep you safe. Please follow the following directions on the screen to keep you and your loved ones safe. This is an emergency broadcast. I repeat, this is an emergency broadcast. Keep your eyes on the screen for more information. Please follow the following instructions to keep you and your loved ones safe. This is an emergency broadcast. Please follow the following instructions to keep you and your loved ones safe. Police recommend you stay inside and lock all doors and windows. Police recommend you stay inside and lock all doors and windows. If you have pets outside, leave them. If you have children, keep them in a dark room with you. It is your choice to whether or not you tell them the current events. Keep a Party Pirate Radio for this channel to let you know more about this broadcast. It is what they're not. You tell them a current event. Do not tell the government, or you will die.